Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we've got something really exciting to dive into. BMW's 2025 camper van. BMW may be better known for its luxury sedans and powerful sports cars. But with this camper van, they're bringing their high standards of engineering and design to a whole new market. Whether you're an adventurer, a family traveler, or someone who simply wants the ultimate in road trip comfort, this camper van promises to check all the boxes. So let's get into it and see what makes the 2025 BMW Camper van special. Starting with the exterior, this camper van looks like no other in its class. Up front, it features BMW's iconic kidney grille, but here it's integrated with a more rugged, adventurous aesthetic. The grille design has been refined to balance the brand's traditional look with a sense of capability and strength, hinting at the van's ability to tackle long road journeys. The LED headlights are sharp and streamlined, creating a modern face that feels just as at home in the city as it does in the mountains. BMW has also equipped van with a set of roof-mounted LED lights to enhance visibility for nighttime driving, adding a practical touch for camping and outdoor adventures. Moving along the side, you'll see the length of this van is used wisely to accommodate both passengers and equipment. The large windows allow for great visibility from inside, perfect for taking in scenic views on the go. The sliding doors are automated, making for easy access, especially when your hands are full. BMW didn't skimp on the details here. The doors are smooth and quiet, a nice luxury touch in a segment where you don't always expect that level of refinement. The van also sits on unique alloy wheels designed to handle various terrains, from highways to more rugged, off-road settings. The wheel arches and lower body are protected by durable cladding, keeping the van safe from dirt and debris on those tougher trails. And BMW offers a choice of different colors and finishes, so you can personalize the look to match your style. At the back, BMW has given this camper van a thoughtful design with functionality in mind. The rear features a large lift-up hatch door, making it easy to load and unload gear. The taillights have a bold, modern look and provide high visibility, especially in low-light conditions. There's also a rear-mounted camera for easier parking and maneuvering, a must-have on a vehicle of this size. For those who like to travel with bikes, boards, or other outdoor gear, there's an optional rear-mounted rack, which can be easily attached or removed as needed. BMW has clearly thought about how people will use this van in real-world settings, and they've made it as versatile as possible. Once inside, the cabin of the BMW camper van is all about luxury and comfort. You'll find high-quality materials throughout, including soft-touch surfaces, leather-wrapped seating, and customizable ambient lighting. The driver's seat is highly adjustable with multiple lumbar support settings, designed for those long road trips where comfort is essential. The dashboard is equipped with BMW's latest infotainment system, featuring a large touchscreen that includes navigation, entertainment, and compatibility with both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. For the passengers, there are individual reading lights, charging ports, and even a Wi-Fi hotspot, so everyone can stay connected while on the road. The seating arrangement is flexible, allowing you to convert the rear area into a sleeping space. With BMW includes options for a mini kitchenette and a fold-out table, so you can cook, eat, and relax right inside the van. Performance-wise, this camper van doesn't disappoint. BMW has engineered it with both power and efficiency in mind, offering a hybrid engine that combines a gasoline engine with electric assist. This setup not only provides excellent fuel economy, but also allows for smooth, quiet driving, which is great when you're looking to enjoy the peace of nature. The van's engine is responsive, and it handles well for a vehicle of its size thanks to BMW's fine-tuned suspension system. It's comfortable on highways, but also sturdy enough for dirt roads and campsites. BMW has added a four-wheel drive option for those who plan to take this camper van off the beaten path. This gives the vehicle impressive traction, so you won't have to worry about getting stuck when you're out exploring. When it comes to pricing, BMW has positioned this camper van as a premium choice in the camper segment. The The base model comes with all the essentials, starting at around $80,000, while higher-end trims with more features can go up to $100,000 or more. This price includes BMW's standard warranty and a package of maintenance services for the first few years, which adds a lot of value if you plan on making this van your go-to travel vehicle. While the price tag is certainly higher than some competitors, BMW is banking on the quality, luxury, and performance of this van to justify the investment. And for those who want the ultimate camper experience, BMW offers plenty of add-ons, from solar panels to more advanced tech options, allowing you to customize it to fit your lifestyle. If you're considering the 2025 BMW Camper van, it's worth thinking about what you prioritize in a travel vehicle. This van is ideal if you're looking for something that combines luxury with functionality. You're getting BMW's quality build, advanced features, and comfort, which are harder to find in other camper vans. However, if you're on a tighter budget, there are more affordable options out there, although you may have to compromise on the premium experience BMW provides. This van is designed for those who want the best of both worlds. The comfort of a luxury vehicle with the practicality of a camper, making it perfect for long trips and adventures. Thanks for tuning into this detailed look at the 2025 BMW Camper van. Let us know in the comments if this van is something you'd consider for your next adventure. And if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth reviews on the latest vehicles. We'll see you in the next video. Happy travels, everyone.